Sorry to interrupt, Lady Gaga with Bad Romance. We've been joined in the studio, on the phone call by Will. So, Will, are you there?
Yes, I'm at Excel in London. You're in the studio.
Yeah.
And I'm on the phone.
And JD's in the studio now.
Oh, good.
So
that's good. So you've got some backup.
Yeah, I do, and because the traffic's quite bad in Exmouth apparently. But
I can believe
I'll
that.
let you, JD, tell you all about it in a minute.
Okay.
So what are you finding out at Learning Technologies?
Well, it's very baffling, Chris. I know you find sometimes these trade shows, there's so much going on, it's hard to work out what the basics of it are.
Yeah.
But I think it's moving very quickly. I know our listeners don't like AI all the time, but it's definitely in the background.
I'm sure it probably is. It always has been.
Yeah. So, Oracle, for example, their stand is pretty much as it was last year.
Yeah.
I think there's more going on in the background. I think they've shifted as a company more into what they're doing online with the data and their actual HR applications, which is what they're showing here. I'm not sure it'll be the same by next year, but we'll see. You know, you get a very at a tangent impression of what's going on, but It's definitely interesting. You can see what they're trying to present and then try and work out where it might be going. Adobe is another company here, and their products last year were very much about video, but they've actually moved it to include all sorts of other things. So it's the sort of general purpose learning approach. But again, they've got a lot of AI in the background for it.
Okay.
So you can see where it's going, and voice is sort of assumed. Nearly all of them can take text and create a variety of voices in characters or avatars or cartoon. They seem to think that's quite normal. A lot of people offering that.
Okay. And the big question, have you found the Costa coffee stand yet?
I have. It's very hard to miss it, Chris.
I know JD would be incredibly interested in this.
Well, he would, yes.
In fact, I'll give him my headphones.
Okay, that's good.
JD.
Thank you.
And if you need the volume turning up.
Hello, sir.
JD, hello.
Hello. So you just.
I can just about hear you. I think I'm hearing you through Chris's mic. I'm not sure, but JD, the news is that coffee is in very good supply.
Yes, he's now going to put it on.
Yes, can you hear us now?
Yeah. Oh yes, JT, you're loud and clear.
Right, yes, I've just wound up Chris now. He's fully batterised.
Okay.
So where did you say you were? Because I didn't hear that bit because it was a delayed thing.
Okay. Yes, I'm at Excel, which is in London.
London,
in the East End of London, where the docks used to be.
Oh right, yes. Okay, yeah, I know it.
Yeah. And we're now close to the Elizabeth line, so you can go from Paddington to here more or less directly.
Right.
So it's not as far away as you think it is.
Okay.
And the Costas are, I think, pretty much the same. So that's reassuring.
That's good. Yes, well, we'll go there then if it's that good.
Yes. So we can change the conversation a little bit, but as long as we've got our coffee lined up,
well,
we've got the basis of the conversation, haven't we?
Well, we can ask you whether your trip to see the King is pretty good.
Well, yes. I'll try and take in the palaces on my way back home.
And yes, put your bill in for lots of coffee.
Right, okay. As a producer, I shall make a note of that one.
Okay, there you go. Okay, I'll hand you back to Chris, because Chris is doing a fantastic job.
Thank you.
And you have a good time, okay? I'm handing you back now. Oh, hang on, he's just said no. He's put it. Okay, he's finding a piece of music for you. So, yes.
Oh, right, that's good.
Yes, that's all good, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
So when did you go up there then? What day?
I came up on Tuesday, so I was here yesterday.
Oh, right. It's only a couple of days.
Yeah, it's only a 2-day show. Okay. It's not as big as BETT. If you remember, tell me when Chris is ready. Mm-hmm. We won't rave on indefinitely.
No.
But if you remember, we came up to BETT, which is a school show.
Yes.
Really, or education system show.
Right.
Whereas this one is a workplace learning.
Right.
That's how they describe it. So they've got HR, payroll systems, all sorts of things that obviously a school needs a payroll system, but that's not the main function of a school, is it? To keep that going, I don't suppose.
No, it's a sidetrack, isn't it?
Yeah, but yeah. I think they should have both shows together. I would come for the week then.
Oh, right.
And you just have learning or education as a coherent system.
Right. Okay. That's
something to look forward to.
Yeah. Okay then. Chris is now waving at me. You don't want to know what he's waving. He's pretty rude.
No, but he's telling us that. Yeah, I know what you mean, Chris. What you're saying, Chris, is it's time to go back to some music.
Yeah, it's time to go back to some music. Yes, that's what he's. You got it down to a T. Why aren't you doing down here? We should have a jingle there. That'd be good.
Okay.
I'll leave it for Chris then. Okay, off we go, Chris. Good to talk to you. Bye.
Okay, bye for now.
Can I have the headphones?
Oh, you can. Yes, you can have the headphones. There you go. There as a special treat. Right.
So, Will.
Chris.
Would you like Oasis Roll With It?
I think that's a very good track.
Okay, well, here